Dear students, good morning. Now move on to next chapter 15, Properties of Triangles. In this lesson, we shall learn some properties of triangle. Before that, let's recall the definition and various types of triangle. A polygon having three sides is called triangle. The triangle has three sides and three angles. So the total 6 elements known as parts or elements of the triangle. So the total 6 parts or 6 elements a triangle has. Now various types of triangles. Naming triangles by considering the lengths of their sides. Number 1, equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. Number 2, isosceles triangle, 2 sides are equal. Scalene triangle, all sides are different lengths. So all these 3 triangles are regarding, that is depending upon the lengths of their sides. Number 2, naming triangles by considering their angles. Number 1, acute triangle. Angle measures less than 90 degree, that is acute triangle. Right triangle, one angle measures 90 degree, that is right triangle. Obtuse triangle, one angle measures more than 90 degree. So all these 3 triangles, based on the angles, we can classify it. Some more results on triangles. Each angle of an equilateral triangle measures 60 degree. That means 3 angles in a triangle, all angles measures each 66 degree. Number 2, the angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. See here the triangle ABC. Here AB and AC are the equal sides. Opposite to the equal side, AC opposite to, that is angle B. AB opposite C, so angle B equal to angle C. Number 3, a scalene triangle has no 2 sides equal. That is all sides are different. Now we have to see that very important theorem, angle sum property of a triangle. Theorem. What is the theorem? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is 3 angles in a triangle. So all the sum equal to 180 degree. Proof. Consider triangle ABC. Through A, draw XY line that is parallel to BC. That is the XY line is parallel to BC. And mark the angles, that is angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and then angle 4, angle 5, you mark it. Now XY, the line is parallel to BC and the transversal AB, you have studied this parallel lines properties in previous lesson. So XY and BC is a parallel line, cuts by a transversal, so the angle 1 equal to angle 4, that is a alternate interior angle. In the same way, XY and BC are the parallel line cut by a transversal AC. So angle 2 equal to angle 5, that is alternate interior angle. Here I have written that. So now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Why I have written angle 4? Because angle 1 equal to angle 4 we have proved earlier. And angle 3 I have written as it is angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 5. So angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5. The reason I have written 1 equal to 4, angle 2 equal to angle 5. So therefore angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. In the figure see there, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus this is the same side of the line and angle, that is a linear property. On the same side of a line around a point, that is one linear property, 180 degree. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree. In the figure also angle B plus angle C plus angle BAC, 3, that is 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. So hence the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. This is a very important theorem. Based on this theorem, we will solve the questions in the exercise. Now move on to exercise 15A. See the first question. In a triangle ABC, if angle A equal to 72 degree and angle B equal to 63 degree and find angle C. You know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. The reason is angle sum property of a triangle. You have seen that theorem, proving of the theorem you have seen now. So angle A is given 72 degree plus angle B is given 63 degree plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Therefore, so solving the equation, angle C equal to 180 minus 135. That is, if you add 72 degree and 63 degree, you will get 135. 180 minus 135 equal to 45 degree. So the angle C equal to 45 degree. Question number 2. Find the angles of a triangle which are in the ratio 4:3:2. Here in the question given, all are given, the angles are given in ratio. So that it be 4x, 3x and 2x respectively. First you will write in this sentence, let the angles of a triangle be 4x, 3x and 2x respectively. You know that all the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So for 4x plus 3x plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Reason, each and every step you have to write the reason. Angle sum property of a triangle. Add it, 9x equal to 180, then x is equal to 20 degree. After finding the value of x, you will apply this value in the assuming, that is you are assuming that 4x, 3x, 2x, you will apply it. So the angle measures 4 into 20 degree, 3 into 20 degree, 2 into 20 degree, which is equal to 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree respectively. Hence, the angles of a triangle are 80 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree. After that, if you add it, you can verify your answer also. If you add all these three angles, it comes to 180 degree. Number 3. The acute angles of a right triangle are in the ratio 2:1. Find each of these angles. Read the question once again. Acute angles of a right triangle. So right triangle means one angle is 90 degree. The other two angles are given in ratio, that is 2:1. So the other two angles are 2x and x. Now come here, let the two angles of a right triangle be 2x and x respectively. The third angle is 90 degree. This you have to write it from the question. It is given that you have to understand it and you have to write down. Third angle equal to 90 degree. So therefore 2x plus x plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Reason, angle sum property of a triangle. Then 3x equal to 180 minus 90, which is equal to 90. Then x is equal to 30. So hence the angles of the triangle are 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. How did you get this one? So you will apply this value. X is 30 degree, then 2x is 2 into 30, that is 60 degree, and one angle right triangle, that is 90 degree. Question number 4. Each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. What is given in this question? Two equal angles of an isosceles. Isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So opposite to that equal sides are equal. You have already studied in this theorem. So AB and AC is a equal side. So opposite to AB is angle C. Opposite to angle A, opposite side of AC is angle is 2x. That is B. So the equal angles, that is here it is given there in the question. Equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. So let the third angle be x. So the equal angles must be twice, that is 2x and 2x. Let the third angle be x, that is angle A equal to x. The other two angles be 2x and 2x. Here angle B is 2x, angle C is 2x. So angle sum property of triangle, we will use this here theorem here. X plus 2x equal to 180 degree. Then 5x equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 36 degree. After that you will apply this value A here. X, 2x and 2x. So hence the angles of a triangle are 36 degree, 72 degree and 72 degree. Question number 5. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the other two, show that the triangle is right angle. What is given here? One angle of a triangle. Just assume that you are taking the triangle ABC. See here, let angle BA and angle B and angle C are the angles of a triangle ABC. Here according to the question, one angle of a triangle, I am taking one angle, that is angle A, is equal to the sum of the other two. What are the other two angles? That is angle B and angle C. So angle A is equal to angle B plus angle C. So according to the question, I have framed the equation here. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. That reason is angle sum property of a triangle. So angle A plus, here we have framed the equation angle B plus angle C equal to angle A. So in the place of angle B plus angle C, I am writing here angle A. That is equal to 180 degree. So in the reason also, since angle B plus angle C equal to angle A. 2 angle A equal to 180 degree, then angle A equal to 180 by 2, that is 90 degree. Hence the triangle is a right angle. If one angle of a triangle is 90 degree, then the triangle is right angle triangle. Question number 6. In the given figure, DE is parallel to BC. There is parallel sign is given here. If angle A equal to 65 degree, angle B equal to 55 degree, find angle ADE. ADE, that is this angle is asked. So this is the parallel line. DE and BC is parallel line. AB is a transversal. So angle ADE is equal to angle B, that is a corresponding angle. ADE, this angle is equal to angle ABC, that is corresponding angle 55 degree. Number 2, AED, in triangle ADE. Now we have to take this triangle because we are going to find out AED, this angle AED, this angle we have to find out. So we will take the triangle ADE, angle A plus angle ADE plus angle AED. See here, that is equal to 180 degree. Reason, the angle sum property of a triangle. Angle A is 65 degree, it is given here. ADE, now we find out that is 55 degree plus angle AED equal to 190 degree. So therefore angle AED is equal to 190 minus 120, that is equal to 60 degree. The third part, angle C, we have to find out. So angle C is here, so now we will take a triangle angle ABC. In a triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. The reason is angle sum property of a triangle. Angle A, it is given 65 degree. Angle B is 55 degree, it is given, plus angle C, now we are going to find out, which is equal to 180 degree. Then angle C equal to 180 minus 120, which is equal to 60 degree. So hence, what are the questions here? Angle ADE equal to 55 degree, angle AED equal to 60 degree, angle C equal to 60 degree. While doing all those questions, first you have to mention the triangle, then you have to write the sum of the angles equal to 180 degree, reason, and you have to solve it. Next we move on to important theorem, exterior angle property of a triangle. Theorem. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. See the figure. Here it is, if this is a triangle ABC, one side is produced, that is up to D, then this is the exterior angle, that is angle 4 is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, that is angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Now we are going to prove this one, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Proof. Let a side BC of a triangle ABC be produced to D, forming exterior angle ACD. This is a ACD is a exterior angle of triangle ABC for one side. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So I am marking here angle 1, angle A is angle 1, angle B equal to angle 2, and angle BC, ACB or BCA equal to angle 3. That is equal to 180 degree. But angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree. The reason you know that is a linear pair. Ray stand on a line forming a linear pair. Linear pair, that means sum of two angle equal to supplementary 180 degree. So from 1 and 2, this is the equation number 1. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree is equation 1. Angle 3 plus angle 4 equal to 180 degree is equation number 2. Now from we will, both are 180 degrees, so we are equating it. Angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. Both sides we get angle 3, so we cancel it. So hence angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to angle 4. That is opposite. The exterior angle ACD, angle 4 is equal to sum of two interior angles, that is angle A plus angle B, that is angle 1 plus angle 2. Now using this theorem, we will solve the exercise 15b. See the first question. In the given figure, find the values of x and y. X is given in the angle A and y is angle BCA. Why I am telling three letters using? Because the angle C is divided into two angles. So we have to mention it in this way, BCA, that is angle Y. You know that exterior angle property, angle A plus angle B is equal to angle ACD, that is exterior angle. So angle A is given, that is x degree, plus angle B is given 68 degree, ACD, that is exterior angle, equal to 130 degree. So therefore x is equal to 130 minus 68, that is equal to 62 degree. Next, angle ACB, that is angle ACB, this plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degree. The reason is linear pair. So y plus 130 equal to 180 degree. Then y equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 degree. So hence x is equal to 62 degree, y equal to 50 degree. Question number 2. An exterior angle of a triangle is 100 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal to each other. Find the measure of each angle of the triangle. See the figure here. I have drawn the triangle ABC and then the side BC is produced to D. So ACD is given, that is 100 degree, and the opposite interior angles are equal. It is given in the question. So first you write down ACD equal to 100 degree exterior angle, angle A equal to angle B, that is equal to x degree, that is opposite interior angles of the angle ACD. Therefore angle A plus angle B equal to angle ACD, exterior angle property. X plus x is equal to 100 degree, 2x is equal to 100 degree, then x is equal to 50 degree. So what are the measurement of the triangle ABC? Angle A equal to angle B equal to 50 degree, that are the both are the equal angles. And now we have to find out ACD plus ACB equal to 180 degree. Here the question is, now we have to find out ACB, the third angle we have to find out. So ACD, angle ACD plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree. See the figure, ACD plus angle ACB, this angle, these are the linear pair, that is equal to 180 degree. So ACB equal to 180 minus 100 degree, which is equal to 80 degree. Hence the measure of each angle of a triangle are angle A equal to angle B equal to 50 degree and angle ACB equal to 80 degree. Why I have written as a three letter? Because the angle C is divided into two angles. So we have to mention it in this way. No one will write angle C. So the correct way of writing the angle is angle ACB is equal to 80 degree. That is the correct one. Question number 3. In the figure given below, find. This is the figure. We have to find out ACD, this angle, and AED, this angle we have to find out. See the figure first. One triangle is there, that is ABC. Other triangle, that is ECD. There are two triangles are joined together. First we have to see that, first we have to find out ACD. See the triangle ABC, that side BC is produced to D. So ACD is a exterior angle. We know the form theorem, exterior angle property, sum of two interior angles equal to exterior angle. So ACD, exterior angle, is equal to angle A plus angle B. That is given, angle A is 25 degree and angle B is 45 degree, which is equal to 70 degree. So ACD, this angle is 70 degree. Now come to next question, that is AED. Now we have to find out AED. We know that is ACD, this angle plus CDE is equal to exterior angle property. Why? See that this is the AED in this triangle. This is the exterior angle. AED is the exterior angle. Opposite to this exterior angle is angle ACD plus angle D. So we are adding these two opposite interior angle. Then we will get exterior angle AED. So ACD is 70 degree. We have found out in the earlier part. Plus CDE, it is given there 40 degree. If we add it, that is equal to 110 degree. So angle AED equal to 110 degree. Now move on to next question number 4. In the given figure, find. See the figure here also two triangles ABC and ACD, and then side AB is extended to E. Now there are three questions are asked here. Angle ACD, this, and angle ADC, this angle we have to find out. Angle DAE, this angle we have to find out. So first angle ACD plus angle ACB, this angle plus angle ACB equal to 180 degree, because the reason is linear pair. Here it is given there ACB 100 degree. So angle ACD we are going to find out. Angle ACD plus 100 degree equal to 180 degree. Then angle ACD equal to 180 minus 100, which is equal to 80 degree. So now we have find out this angle ACD. Now to find angle ADC, we have to take the triangle ACD. So angle ADC, this angle, plus angle ACD, this angle, plus angle CAD, because angle A is divided into two angles. So we will write it in this way, CAD, that is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property of a triangle. Three angles of a triangle we have taken. So angle ADC plus DCA we have find out now, that is a 80 degree, and CAD it is given 50 degree, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle ADC equal to 180 minus 130, which is equal to 50 degree. Then question number, that is third part. Angle DAE, that is DAE. Now we have to find out this one. So DAE is the exterior angle of the triangle ACD, the triangle ABD. So the opposite sides are angle B and angle D. Just remember that this is the complete exterior angle. This angle is exterior angle of the triangle ABD. So opposite interior angle are angle B and angle D. So angle B is given 40 degree, and angle D now we have find out that is 50 degree, which is equal to 90 degree. So angle DAE equal to 90 degree. So hence angle ACD equal to 80 degree, angle ADC equal to 50 degree, and angle DAE equal to 90 degree.